Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.45 trillion. We're up 4.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.5%. If we're looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of green across the board, and a lot of analysts are calling this to be the next leg up. And there's a lot of excitement building up around the cryptocurrency space. So very, very exciting times ahead for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than XRP. If we're looking at XRP's price right now, guys, XRP is currently trading at $1.66. It's up 13.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 9.9% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. XRP currently ranks on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko at top 5, and market cap right now is $76.1 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $15.7 billion. If we're zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, in just the last year alone, XRP is up a staggering 663%, and in just the last 30 days, 82.4%. So everything is starting to look very, very nice for XRP, and I believe this might be the month where we finally break XRP's all-time high of $3.40 that we saw back in 2018. But today, guys, I want to share some very, very bullish news with you guys, and then we will come and do our price analysis on XRP. So, very, very bullish news coming out of XRP posted by Cointelegraph, and that is former U.S. Treasurer joins Ripple board. Rosa Rios, the 43rd Treasurer of the United States, will be joining Ripple's board of directors. The company said Rios, who served as the U.S. Treasurer from 2009 to 2016 under President Barack Obama, will be the newest member of the firm's leadership team. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse cited Rios' experience in both the public and private sectors, as well as her success in rapidly accelerating businesses in the company's decision to bring her on board. Ripple is one of the best examples of how to use cryptocurrencies in a substantive and legitimate role to facilitate payments globally, said Rios. Blockchain and crypto will underpin our future global financial systems. Rios' name seems more closely associated with fiat than crypto, quite literally. All U.S. banknotes printed during her time as treasurer bear her signature. Her appointment follows Yoshitaka Kitao, CEO of Japanese financial giant SBI Group, leaving the board after 2 years as being replaced by SBI Ripple Asia CEO Adam Trademan. This is very, very bullish news, guys. Very, very bullish news, and I believe this is affecting the price as well. And I believe this is why we are seeing XRP price moving up. As you guys may know, we did initially saw this major rally after we did hear some sort of positive news coming out of the SEC lawsuit. And as you guys may know, if you guys are a follower on my channel, I did say this over and over again when XRP was literally at its bottom. I did say, guys, XRP community is very, very strong, and there's a lot of big players that are on the sidelines. If we were to hear some sort of positive news come out, XRP is gonna go through the roof, and that's exactly what we saw. And now we are starting our next leg up. Obviously, nothing goes up straight forever. There's always going to be consolidation periods that do occur, guys, especially if you're new to the channel or new to the markets. I know a lot of newcomers are coming into the markets. Guys, nothing goes up straight forever. I promise you that. There's always going to be corrections and consolidation periods before we do see some newer highs. If you guys don't know, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the cryptocurrency markets, meaning it does control majority of the markets in a way, because let's say, for instance, if Bitcoin were to fall 5 to 10%, all the altcoins will fall down with it, and XRP is no exception. So in this case, you should always do your own due diligence and research before investing into crypto, and always invest where you can afford to lose. As soon as you do these two steps, patience would be your number one key. Patience is your number one key in crypto, guys, and you do not want to be shaken out during these times. So as I mentioned, when Bitcoin goes down, majority of the markets go down with it. So there's these big whale accounts and big market players that do hold a lot of Bitcoin, and they can take profits whenever they want, and small retracements can occur. So we just have to be prepared for that. We cannot control that whatsoever. So like I said, patience is your number one key, and always invest what you can afford to lose. But right now, guys, XRP is looking to head towards its all-time high of this year, not its actual all-time high, just the all-time high of this year, which was roughly at $1.96. And if we're bringing out the Fibonacci retracement tool, we can get a better picture to see what's exactly going to happen, and we can predict that. If we're looking, guys, we're back into that 23.6 Fibonacci retracement zone for XRP, and I believe it's just a matter of time before we smash past its all-time high of this year and head towards the actual all-time high of $3.40. Right now, we're only away 20.5% away from the all-time high of this year. And I believe if we were to get a little bit more buying pressure to come in, it's just a matter of time before XRP, smashes past this level and head towards newer highs. And I'm very, very confident about that. As you guys may know, the crypto momentum is building very, very strong. It's very, very bullish, and a lot of excitement is building up, and a lot of big news is coming out of in cryptocurrency industry. So I believe it's just a matter of time before we do see some newer highs for XRP. And like I mentioned, if we were to get some sort of official announcement that were to come out about the SEC lawsuit, and let's say if it were to get dropped, guys, XRP is about to skyrocket. XRP is about to skyrocket. There's still a lot of money on the sidelines. A lot of people are, monitoring this situation very, very closely. And as soon as we hear some sort of good news come out, it's just a matter of time before we smash past the all-time highs. If you guys know, there's all these altcoins, guys. All these altcoins, especially Ethereum, Binance Coin. We've been seeing a Bitcoin. We've been seeing Litecoin. We've been seeing these coins hit all-time highs after all-time highs after all-time highs. And there's one coin that has not done that yet, and that is XRP. So imagine once that announcement comes out, some sort of official announcement were to come out, guys, it's just a matter of time before we do blast off. And XRP community deserves that. XRP community deserves that, and a lot of people are starting to believe that there's a very, very high chance of this lawsuit to get dropped, and as there's a lot of positive announcement coming out day by day. So if that were to be made official, guys, sky's the limit for XRP, and I could even see XRP at $10 this bull cycle if we were to get that type of magnitude of a bull run that we saw back in 2017. But short term, I could definitely see, if that announcement were to be made, I could definitely see XRP go above $3.40, which was the previous all-time high. Definitely, I could see that happen. But now let's look at the bearish scenario if that were to play out, because like I said, I always keep it realistic on my channel. I'm never going to be saying the markets are only going to be going up in straight one line. That is unrealistic. You always have to look at both the scenarios, guys. So let's say Bitcoin were to have some sort of small retracement. Obviously, XRP is going to go down with it. I believe we should be supported by this 38.2 level. There's a lot of support around here, but if we're unable to hold that, we could even head back down to that $1.17 range. It's very, very possible, guys. That is only if Bitcoin were to have a flash crash. But if the flash crash is let's say 10 to 15%, then we could go all the way down to even 89 cents. But these are strong level of support for XRP. But I do not see that happening right now. I believe the retracement that we were anticipating has already occurred, and this was the correction that we needed, that has shaken out the weak hands, and consolidation has occurred before we do see some newer highs. But there's always a possibility of some sort of downwards trend. Very normal, because in crypto you never know when some whales can manipulate the markets or take profits. But right now everything is looking very, very bullish. I believe it's just a matter of time. If we were to get a little bit more buying pressure, XRP is off to some bullish moves, and it's just a matter of time before we break this all-time high. But yeah, that's today's video, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section where you could see XR being traded at the end of May. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you guys want to see me cover XRP on a daily basis. Just leave a comment down below. But yeah, short term, guys, I would like for XRP to go back up to this level of the $1.96. I believe there might be some choppiness around this level. We could head towards this, and we might see some choppiness around here, trade sideways a while, and then we finally break through and head towards XRP's all-time high of $3.40. And very, very exciting times ahead for the XRP community, and you guys deserve this 100%. But with that being said, let's look at the Google Trends. Google Trends are heading towards the low, but nothing to worry about. As you guys may know, XRP is such a big project. A lot of people around the world, especially big people in the cryptocurrency space, they all know what XRP really is, and the community is huge. And now we are seeing a lot of celebrities talking about XRP. We have institutional interest coming in XRP, so it doesn't really matter if the Google Trends are on the downwards trend. When we do head towards the newer all-time highs, the Google searches will go back up, obviously, with that, because that would be correlated in a way. But I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to cover XRP, on a daily basis. And, thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. It really, really does mean the world to me. Thank you so, so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Like, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And guys, stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And I think I am going to wrap up today's video around here. It's been CryptoZX, and peace.